Hi guys, how you going? This Christmas, I suppose, is going to be a wee bit different for most people. Normally we try and do something along the lines of 12 days of Christmas. This year's going to be a little bit difficult with all the regulations, etc. However, we're not going to forget about it either. So we have decided that we're going to bring all our tractors in, each individually into the barn, and either Gary or I, we're going to ask each other questions about the tractors, why they're here, why they were bought, the reason we want that particular tractor, and also the drawbacks of the tractors, the engine size, the capabilities, horsepower, etc, etc. So we hope you enjoy what we've done. It's been actually good fun getting them all into the shade and having a chat and remembering the reasons why you bought them in the first place, because at the end of the day, guys, it may say Grassmen along here. The grass is so important to us, but really and truly, it's all about tractors. And we love tractors. I thought I saw